next unboxing is another fidget toy. I'd actually forgotten I ordered this one, so it's quite a nice surprise when I got my mail this morning. So it comes in this packet. I've pre-cut it. I forgot which one it was actually, and then I remembered it was the gold coin Twisty one. So it comes in, it's like a double bagged. Let's get the first one open. There we go, and then the second one open. So it comes in nice, good condition. And it's sort of like a brass, I guess, gold-coloured brass coin. And the idea is you kind of twist it around. First impressions, it feels a little bit loose. And I think if you, yep, there you go. If you open it, you can see there's 6 magnets in there, and then these little rollers. So that kind of sits in there. It's pretty basic. Oh, what's that? Some discoloration. So it looked more, but actually looked like this in the pictures. It kind of looked more complicated. When you actually get it, it's sort of slightly disappointingly simpler. Lovely sort of matte logo on there, so nice designed. I think the bit that annoys me slightly is there's this little bit of play. You can see that, and this is supposed to be there, so it's kind of harder to twist it around. You can see it sort of jumps and flops about a bit, so it's not the kind of smooth action I was expecting it. So slightly disappointing there. What I find with these fidget spinners or these fidget toys is usually when I get them I'm slightly underwhelmed, and then they sit on my desk and I play with them, and then I sort of become, I wouldn't quite say addicted to them, but certainly really enjoy them and their nuances. So maybe this little nuance will become something I enjoy, but initially I was expecting it to be smoother. I was expecting the little jumps to be smaller as well, so when you twist it, instead of being these big clunky, there's 6 jumps I think, so sort of be more, I guess, sort of subtler and shallower. Anyway, that's what you get. I think I paid, how much did I pay? $9, $10, I think about $10 for that one. Is it worth it? The more of these I buy, the more I'm thinking I'm throwing my money away, basically. I quite enjoy them. It's a fad, it's a phase. I've got a load of fidget spinners, which I'll do a video on at some stage, but yeah, more tat, but little tat, and quite good fun. If you get use out of it, fair enough. And I'm certainly getting use out of these and enjoyment out of these at the moment, but I've probably spent $50, maybe $100, I don't know. Too much. But if you want one, that's what you're going to get.